We're starting the show today with a sensitive issue that requires attention. Rareful is our citizen journalist. He's a postgraduate student at the Delhi University and an LGBT rights activist. Now, being from the LGBT community himself, Rareful is raising important concerns. Hundreds of lesbians, gays, bisexual, transgender students are regularly feeling targeted and harassed at the university, and without a proper support system, they are feeling vulnerable than ever before. On the one hand, the university is opening its doors for transgender students, but the very identification of the third gender, or for that matter, sexual orientation, is making them feel targeted. Rareful is putting up all of these issues in his CJ Plus report.
This is a protest about zero tolerance towards any kind of sexual harassment, bullying towards LGBTQI students in DU. We do not have a support mechanism. We do not have authorities that we can go and approach.
The LGBT community has suffered long in silence. In our campuses, we are singled out. Instances of harassment and abuse are many, but perhaps not enough for the administration to wake up.
I'm Rafiul, a student of Delhi University, MA in English. I've turned citizen journalist today, and I'm here to talk about the violence and abuse that LGBT students face in the university.
ये university LGBT लोगों के लिए safe नहीं है.
I study English at the Arts Faculty in the Delhi University. Over the past few months, LGBT students like me have been harassed, bullied and discriminated against just for being different.
There is absence of institutional support in the university space, and it leaves a lot of ground for homophobic violence to take place. And the violence is not necessarily physical all the time, but violence is also verbal. And LGBT students face it on a day-to-day level through abuses, through mockery, through the constant silencing that university administrations impose.
We marched from college to college to make our presence felt, to make people and authorities realize that nobody has the right to discriminate against us.
Hate crimes are basically facilitated by institutional violence, right? And universities are institutions. So if a university is not actively speaking out against them and not providing resources for people who have suffered them, then by definition, the university is homophobic.
The LGBT community is also questioning the university's recent decision to replace the Ordinance 15D against sexual harassment, which provided protection to all persons, with the new Sexual Harassment Law of 2013 that only aims to protect women.
Some of the demands that we have come up with as part of the campaigns are to ensure safe spaces for students in the university, students who do not identify as heterosexuals. An amendment needs to be made to the Sexual Harassment Act that is at place in the university, which recognizes that only a woman can be at the receiving end of sexual violence. This is Rafiul Alam Rahman, citizen journalist for CNN IBN.